Tātaki Auckland Unlimited are a subsidiary of the Auckland Council, and they manage iconic venues such as this. The site was being utilised by Team New Zealand at the time for a completely different purpose.
When the Viaduct Event Centre came back into public management, we had to rethink security from the ground up. The old system was outdated, hard to manage, and didn't meet today's standards. We needed something smarter, safer, and flexible enough to handle everything from exhibitions to conferences.
The key challenges for us on this site was the combination between public-facing venue and access behind the scenes, places where only staff are allowed to go.
Different user groups across the venue have very specific access needs. Event staff need access to staging areas, vendors need access to service zones, and security need access to all critical points. Before the new system was installed, access management was quite manual and time-consuming, with a lot of reliance on physical keys and paper logs.
From our perspective, we were looking for upgrading the security across the board, CCTV, access control, key systems, a full complete security upgrade. So the ABLOY CLIQ system is perfect for that because the electronic components of the keys are fully traceable. We can remotely check in on the system to see where the keys are, we can see if any keys are lost, and we can immediately cancel out any keys that were lost. The modular nature of the ABLOY CLIQ system is very helpful, where we can have one zone, for example, with it being the public-facing sector where the public's permitted to go. Then we have the other modules in behind the scenes, such as the offices and the restricted areas where the public are not allowed to go for our service people and, for example, our overhead catwalk.
Installation of the cylinders was very simple. They replaced directly the existing cylinders on site. It meant the upgrade was incredibly simple, including fitting them into fire doors. Compliancy wasn't an issue to try and rectify on site. Within an instant, we can assign new keys to doors, revoke access as required by the client, and that's a matter of within seconds online. We'll run that through the cloud software. The action is completed. The door is then updated by the keys. So essentially the client will just take the keys out, put them in the updater and put them into the door, and we'll update the door and the key at the same time.
The new system has really improved how we respond to unplanned issues or call-outs.
The solution gives us secure, trackable access using a mix of mechanical and electronic locks, all managed in the cloud. It was ideal for this space. The beauty is in how simple it is. One key, full flexibility, and no need to rewire anything.